Yes, one like the Milky Way.
Yes, and the Milky Way is our galaxy. Today we are going to make a galaxy, and all you need are a few different items. Leo, what do we have here?
Black paper.
Black paper.
And another black paper.
Well, if you have two people. And
2 pencils.
if you have two people, so we're just gonna pencil per person. And these are?
Pastels.
That's it.
So 50 for 50 people. 1 for 50. 1 for each people. And a family that has 50 people.
Well, we have just a variety of colors of pastel. So if you don't have black paper or pastels, you can do this with crayons and white paper.
Okay, Team V, here we go. We did the magic of zoom.
Now grab your pencil.
I usually use this red one.
So first I want you to draw a small circle in the middle. And you're not supposed to really see it. Yeah, just right in the middle. Great. Now, from that circle,
that's not small.
No, that's perfect. Just leave it there. So now, look at me, and I'm gonna put my pencil on the bottom of the circle. Can you do that? And then I'm gonna do this. Swirly, whirly, whirly. And stop. Now, we're done with our pencils. Grab a white
Hey, this is a
pastel.
galaxy. It's a galaxy.
It's a galaxy. So we are going to start with a white pastel.
Well, actually, we can make any galaxy we want, right?
That's right. So we are going to start with a white pastel. I want you to color in the center of your circle. Choose what color you want next. I'm going to choose a blue. And you just keep kind of putting colors around. So Team B, we have made our galaxies. Leo, why don't you tell me a little bit about your galaxy?
My galaxy only uses Pokemon colors.
Whoa, Leo chose to make a Pokemon galaxy.
Well, there are 3 of the main colors, and that's red, green, light blue, and yellow.
Wow, and what Pokemon did you think about when you did those colors?
Well, those are the 4 main ones. Pikachu, Bulbasaur, Squirtle, and Charmander.
Awesome.
Well, the orange is Charizard.
Nice. We kept saying the names of Pokemon and their colors, and we kept adding to it. You may have noticed at the end, once we did our swirl with our pastels, we spread it with our fingers to help blend it. All right, and this is my galaxy. I chose colors that were kind of bluish, purplish, greenish. And one other thing that you can do now that you're done is you can add white dots around for stars if you wish, or you can just leave your galaxy like we have chosen to leave ours.
I'm gonna add stars.
Oh, sure. So now we've added some stars to our galaxy. And Leo even told me, hey, what about a shooting star? So he drew a dot and then some lines that go to it, and I did some of those on mine as well.
Well, I actually only have 1 shooting star. That's right.
Whoa, that must be the luckiest star that there is in the sky.
Yes, it is the luckiest one.
Let's do our handshake.
That one, if you that same one, guess what? You get to make 7 wishes at once, because 7 is the luckiest number.
Awesome.
And you get to make all of those wishes at once.
Wow. Let's do our handshake.
Up,
Down, wiggle, wiggle, pop. Love you guys.